Welcome to day 2 of the Remove and Replace project in Okemos, Michigan. It's a beautiful sunny day, and we are going to install the fireplace and the venting. We are going to put the chase cap on the top, and we're going to button up the structure so that it's weather tight once again. I think you'll be quite impressed with how the guys finished the project. If you'd like to learn more about our chimney sweeping and chimney repair services, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where you can find informative videos about all of the services that we offer related to your chimney and fireplace. Without further ado, let's get to work. Now that the demolition and modification of the space is complete, it's time to drop in the new fireplace. It's day 2 of the Remove and Replace project in Okemos, Michigan. It's a beautiful sunny day. They begin by unloading all of the venting and the necessary parts to install the brand new factory-built fireplace.
We're going to cut a piece of that thicker plywood, 65, 19 3/4.
There are several codes and standards that regulate how we reinstall the fireplace and the venting. At this point, the crew is putting together and preparing all the pieces and parts for a smooth install. One of the most important components of installing the new fireplace system is a fire stop, and here's why.
Install a new fire stop because the old fire stop actually had foam board rather than OSB. Foam board has a very low flash point. What a fire stop does, it doesn't really so much stop the heat transfer from the fireplace itself. It's in case there's a fire inside the home. So what that does is it slows the transfer from the actual flame to the rest of the home. So it gives time for people to get out and reduces damage to the home.
Now that the new fire stop has been installed, the crew cuts a new pathway through the fire stop so that the venting can pass through with a minimum of 2-inch clearance to any combustible. As we continue installing the venting through the fire stop, we make sure that it's both level and plumb so that when the chimney pipe passes through the top of the chimney chase, it looks straight. Next, we are finalizing installing the air-cooled chimney for the fireplace. In addition to that, we are installing an outside air pathway so that the fire can use exterior air instead of interior air for its combustion. The next step is installing insulation on the outside wall of the chimney chase. The two important considerations here are a fire-rated insulation because it's near the fireplace and the venting, as well as a solid R factor because the chimney is exposed to the outside air on 3 sides. The next step in the process is to install the wood siding on the bottom of the chimney, where we took the old siding off to remove the fireplace. The wood siding will cover the insulation and make the bottom of the structure weather tight. The next step is to go to the top of the chimney and install the chase cap, the storm collar, and the termination cap. In this case, we used a powder-coated galvanized brown in color chase cap to make sure that the deterioration at the top of the chimney is greatly delayed for many years to come. After those 3 items are installed and sealed, it makes the top of the chimney weather-tight. For the finishing touches of the project, the team is installing the trim boards and installing caulk and sealer to make sure no rain or moisture can enter the chimney chase.
Right at the bottom. Good.
They should have something.
That concludes day 2 of our remove and replace project. Our team did a fantastic job and the homeowner is very excited to have their fireplace back. As you can see, there are a lot of twists and turns in this project. You never know quite what you're going to run into, but Alpha and Omega is fully prepared to navigate all of those to make sure that the project is successful and safe. So for more videos related to the remove and replace or any other fireplace project, please hit the like and subscribe button, and we look forward to seeing you next time.